Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review, today analyzing Sniply, a tool that claims to add clickable CTAs to web pages and retarget users with powerful links. This is a deal that got hundreds and hundreds of positive reviews on AppSumo, and they are ending in 5 days. So the deal will be here for 5 days only. And then I thought, well, why not test Sniply to see if it's a good deal, if I want to buy it. Tier 1 is good enough for me. So let's take a look at the deal. They have a lot of integrations. You can see here buffer crumbs appear. It's a Rebrandly alternative, a Bitly alternative, TinyURL alternative. And the difference here is that they will add beautiful CTAs that will help you to improve conversion on your websites. And they have pretty unique features for a link shortener deal. As you can see here, you're gonna get all the future business plan updates, and the difference will be the number of team members, brands, clicks per links per month, and all of them will have unlimited links. If you're gonna use it to up to 10 brands and you don't have no viral links every time, you're pretty good to go with the tier 1. So tier 1, for instance, will be enough for me. I use different link shortener tools, so this will only add value to my SaaS toolbox. Let's take a look at Sniply and see if it's good to go. I want to say that I have added the Sniply link on the in the description of that video and also in the comments, so you can take a look at the deal and see if the tool is good enough for you. As you can see here on the dashboard, you see the overview with your data, your conversion rate, clicks, snips created. Your users will be here on the right, and they have a Chrome extension, okay? A Chrome extension where you can create the snip links using the Chrome extension, okay? You will be able to create new links and new call to action. Let's take a look on the settings because it has unique features. Here on account, you can add your team members. Also, you can connect your website with JavaScript and verifying the ownership to unlock exclusive features on Snips. You will be able to unlock exclusive analytics when you connect your website as in the publisher tools of Sniply. Also, you can change your UTM tags, so you know that your visitor came from Sniply because of their UTM tags. And on integration, you can also embed Sniply on your website to unlock also exclusive features related to CTAs and outbound links. Let's start creating a link, creating a snip. I'm gonna add an URL here and create the snip. You're gonna select your brand. First thing you're gonna do, select your brand. In the snip, type if you want to show up a CTA button, if you want to show a text link, a link CTA. You can see here, it will change. Button, here's the button, like that. It will show up every time you use Sniply. You can also show the text link like that. You also have a form, an image ad, and only use Sniply as retargeting analytics, so you will not add any feature. For the sake of that review, I'm gonna add the button CTA in the message. Visit my website. The brand will show up here. Click here, then you add your website here and continue. And you can customize the color of the button, the text color, the background color, the position, and you can take off the Sniply logo as well. Finish CTA and you are done. On your brand profile, you can add your pixels, your conversion pixels, for instance, Facebook pixel. You can add your own custom domain, so you have different custom domains by brands. A retargeting pixel, those are the Facebook, Google, and you can also add custom scripts. You can create call to actions for each branding, and you'll see all the call to actions here. You have analytics for each brand. Editing brand, you can upload a photo to the brand and a home URL. So when someone click on the brand, they will go to the home URL. You can also see all your call to actions and create the call to action before you create the link. You select the brand and do the same thing. For instance, a text link, you can customize everything and finish the CTA. You can see all your Sniply links, clicking on Sniply links, and you see all your link shorts. Sniply also creates a summary to the website that you are using. You can just turn it on and you see the summary here. Here's an example of a website with Sniply. You can see that you are on the website, and here on the left, the Sniply is here. So you can use that strategy to convert leads, to convert affiliate clicks. There's a lot of marketing strategies that you can use using those Sniply strategies. I think I'm gonna buy it. It's a good deal, has unique features, and I hope you like it. Take a look at the deal. The link is in the description. Thank you so much. Bye bye.